Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on Tradingview. And it's quite simple. The first thing that you need to know is you need to go to trade and then log in with your account that or your broker where you trade with. And then after that, it's quite simple because we go here to the search bar, search right here for gold. You have a lot of options for gold. Then we click here on gold versus US dollar. And then right now you will see here our chart. Then what we're gonna do right here is we select right here buy, and then we will get here our order type or the order panel. And then from here, what we're gonna do is, we fill right in here how much lots we want to buy. So we want to buy, let's say 0.10 lots, that's fine. We can create right here exits. So if you want to create a take profit, enable that. And if you want to stop loss, do that too. But right now we are just here to buy gold. So if you click right now here on buy gold, we bought or sells a position from gold. So if you can see right here, if we click now on this arrow, you will find right here the orders that we are having. So if you go to orders and then scroll a little bit up. So let's see. Boom, there we are. Now you see that we just created ourselves a order right here for gold. So this is how you can buy gold on Tradingview. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.